Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 24. And among the household priests, O Partha, know me to be the chief Brihaspati. Among generals, I am Skanda. Among lakes, I am the ocean.
Chapter 10, Shloka 24. पुरोदसाञ्च मुख्यं मां विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनाम् अहं स्कन्दः सरसाम् अस्मि सागरः.
Chapter 10, Shloka 24. Lord Krishna provides more items as aids in meditation. Of the household priests, know me, the chief, Brihaspati. Brihaspati is the lord of the planet Jupiter. He is the spiritual teacher for the hosts of heavens. I am Skanda among the generals. Skanda is the son of Shiva, the peacock rider and the wielder of the spear. Of waters, I am the ocean. As the cosmic man, the Lord is both transcendental and immanent. A. His power of lordship as the most prominent and chief factor in all classes of beings, and B. The pervasiveness or immanence of the self as that supreme factor without which specimens belonging to each class cannot maintain themselves as existent beings. This is an example of his immanence. No doubt, the water of the Ganga has no relationship with the water of ocean. Different rivers, lakes, ponds, everywhere are independent and have nothing to do with the ocean, which embraces the world. Yet it is a fact that but for the ocean, all these rivers and water pools would have dried up. Similarly, in the sentient and the insentient beings and things of the world, individually may appear to have no relationship with the infinite ocean of truth. The Lord indicates that but for it, the phenomenal world would have long ago ended its existence. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.